May bisita ka at magpapamerienda ka ng tinapay. Anong palaman mo? Di garapon? Magpabida ka naman. Ipakita ang kakayahan sa kusina. Bibilib sila. Pag-uusapan ka at makakatipid ka. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. It's a Sunday afternoon and we'll be making lunch or merienda. By the way, this is one of our quick lunch or merienda series. And this will be in TAGLISH. What do we have here? What are we cooking? Are we having this for lunch or merienda? Ay, magtataglis pala tayo TAGLISH ito. This is intended for our Pinoy households in the back or in the homeland. Kaya may darating kang bisita, ito ang ipapamerienda mo. Sandwich spread na naman at cheese whiz or egg sandwich. Magbida tayo ng konti. Gawa tayo ng konting preparasyon. Para sabihin nila, uy, sosyal. May konting preparasyon. I remember too.
Why your nameplate?
I have my nameplate. Sorry, you saw my name already. I lost my anonymity. I have to remove this because I'm cooking. We're cooking what we call, ang tawag nila rito ay French toast. Yung iba ang tawag din ay German toast. Yung iba Bombay toast, tawagin nila lang your own toast. At simple lang ito. It's quick, I guarantee. 5 minutes lang to. We need bread, 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Mabilis ito. 2 eggs. What else? Milk. Papakita ko mamaya yung mga quantity. Milk and these are the bases. Milk and sugar. Sugar. This is the base. These are the basic ingredients. Hindi kasama yan. And as an option, pwede rin nating dagdagan ng cinnamon. Cinnamon powder. I don't have my cinnamon powder here. Nasa labas ko, kunin ko. I don't usually keep my ingredients inside kasi nga, do you want your curry smell inside your home? You don't like that. That's the reason I keep them outside. All my strong ingredients, my herbs and spices, I keep them outside. So ito ang kailangan natin. Ang option is cinnamon. Now, Romilo, magsalita ka. Talk about the eggs. Anong kwento ng mga itlog mo? And then, we'll be adding approximately 1/3 liter. Correct, Romilo. It's 1/3 cup. And that is 1/3 approximately cup. 1/3. Sige nga, itagalog mo That ngayon is 1/3. the same, approximately the same volume. You can find the amount of the ingredients in the description box below. We need 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon. And as an option, we need this. Around 1/8 of a teaspoon. That would be good. And just to enhance the flavor, para mayroong konting kaluluwa yung lasa, lagyan natin ng sugar, ng asin na konti. Kunti lang. Yeah, that would be good. And then, whisk it. Dahil wala akong batidora. Ayaw ko naman gamitin yung batidorang malaki doon. That's too big. I forgot to close my cabinet again. Yeah. Diba? Yeah. Kung maamoy nyo lang ito mga kapatid. By the way, sa mga nahulog pa. Yeah. Now, Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Sa mga kapatid natin na nasa Pilipinas na walang akseso sa fresh milk, pwede kayong gumamit ng evaporated milk. Dagdagan nyo na lang ng equal part na tubig. 1:1. Kung walang evaporated milk at gusto nyo pang magtipid at iwasan na yung asukal, just add, let's say, or 1:5 sa condensed milk. 1 part condensed milk, 5 parts na tubig. Okay, we can start this. Now, ay, nahulog na naman. Ano ba yan? ito ang makukuha mo talaga kung nagmamadali ka. But I promise this to be 5 minutes lang. Kaya hindi ko kailangan yung patis na to. But we need oil. I'll be using oil and butter. Combine oil and butter. I will explain why. Bakit kailangan ko ng mantikilya at mantika. Ang mantikilya kasi is madaling masunog. The mantikilya easily burns. The butter easily burns. So I'll add what's this again? The cooking oil to it. Ang gagawin lang natin ay i-soak lang natin. Ibabad lang natin konti ang tinapay. You have the choice between soaking it, really soak, or just dipping it. Ganito lang kung gusto nyo mong hindi masyadong ma-absorb yung iyong tawag dito, gatas at itlog. Ganito lang. Yeah. Sandali lang. Now, once the butter curd begins to turn brown, pwede nilang ilagay yung tinapay. Yeah. Huwag masyadong malakas. Maliit yung ating kawali, mga kapatid. But ito ang mayroon tayo. Di ba ang bilis? Oh, just soak that para mag-absorb siya ng konti. Then, lagay natin doon. Tabi siya. Ulitin ko ha. Ulitin ko, you have the choice between really heavily soaking hanggang yung talagang totally saturate yung tinapay. Ibabad yan, or pwede rin ganun lang para yung crust lang niya ang malagyan ng milk and egg solution. It's your choice. Di ba madali lang gawin? Social ang dating, French toast. O tostada francesa. Kaysa naman may bisita ka, di ba? Ang palaman mo lang yung tawag dito, di garapon na Lady's Choice o naman mga cheese whiz na yan. Gumawa ka nito, may kwento ka pa, bida ka pa sa kumari mo or sa mga bisita mo, at Diyos ko, yung mga anak mo, matutuwa sila, at si Mr. lalong mai-in love. Diyos ko, ingat lang, baka magkakaanak ulit kayo. Tama na, baka anong masabi ninyo? Baka i-ganon nyo ako, ha? Nagbibiro lang tayo. Alam nga namang kawali lang ipapakita ko. Boring yun. Low flame lang, mga kapatid. Low flame. We'll keep it low flame to keep the bread or the toast from burning. After all, we're cooking French toast and not French burns. I remember when we did this first in Manila, in Quezon City, my roommate, Edwin, he became excited and he even prepared frosting, icing for this, just with a fork. It was not successful. This was successful. It was his icing that was not successful. Look, I'm now turning our toast. It really looks good, if you can only smell it. Look how lovely our toast have become. Who can resist that? Who can resist that? Let's put some butter. Our French toast. Very quick, as you notice. 5 minuto lang, mayroon ka ng meriendang pwede mong may pagmalaki. No more dilata or di botelyang palaman. Make it. You can make this at home. French toast. You can easily do this at home. Madali lang. Madali na, bida ka pa, mayroon kang istorya sa iyong bisita. Join me again next time here at Channel 1 as we bring you more recipes from other countries that we can also do at home. Mura na, mabilis na, bida ka pa. Until next time. Masarap. Mainit. Bye-bye! Hanggang sa muli. Just realized that the basic ingredients for this recipe are gatas at itlog. I'm reminded of the nutrition program we presented when we were in grade 1. On that program, we recited this poem. I think it was me who recited it. Ang gatas at itlog. Ang gatas at itlog, pagkain pampalusog. Ang saging at papaya, pagkain pampaganda. Uminom ka ng gatas, kumain ka ng itlog. Hindi magtatagal, ikaw ay bibilog. Thank you.